Welcome to this video where we are presenting the RMS version 2.2.0 and some of the new features. In this video, we are presenting the data analysis function. So the data analysis function has been improved based upon customer feedback and additional requirements. So the data analysis is under Tools and Data Analysis. And here, what has changed is really what we're able to see, the data that we're able to extract. So here we are looking at the data for the past 24 hours in the group CO2 monitoring, and here we have all of our devices, measuring points that are set up here. When we select one of these measuring points, so for example the CCD here, we have the possibility to see the measurement. So as we said, over the past 24 hours as a chart. We can move this to see it as a table. We can also see the statistics. So these features were already available in the version 2.1.1. However, the new features are here, the alarms. So here we have the possibility to see how many alarms occurred on this measuring point within the last 24 hours. And here we can see there are 0 warnings and 0 alarms. Let's see if we can find a measuring point with some alarms, nothing set up. If we go back over a week, what we can do is we can select all of the measuring points. Okay, so in this one here, none of the devices have, or none of the measuring points have any warnings or alarms. We can also see, though, limit violations. So as soon as we've gone over a limit, so the alarm, there's an alarm delay. However, we've gone over the limit that was set. We would also see that information here within the statistics, so within this view. The other feature that we have under the data analysis is the data gaps. So we can see, based upon these measuring points, we can see if there are data gaps. So here we're looking over the previous week, and we can see that all of these, or the measuring points here, have data gaps, and these data gaps have not been reported. This is normal that it hasn't been reported because the system is going to try and download the data over a period of 3 days, and this is all very recent, so there's no need to worry here. So we can see exactly from when to when the data gap had occurred, how long it lasted for, what is the measuring point, what is the device, and then we can see that it's not here, the status has not been reported. What we have the possibility to do is we have the possibility to create a data gap event. So we can say, okay, I'm not going to wait 3 days. I know that the devices were offline, so we can go here and create a data gap event. Okay, it says here the data gap is not valid anymore because the system has already gone and downloaded the data. However, if the data gap was valid, it would generate a new reminder here, so a data gap reminder, and it would give us the possibility to download, to try and download the data from the data logger again. So this tool is pretty handy in case somebody has closed a data gap without trying to retry to download the data. It gives us quite a few possibilities. That was the main information here for the data analysis tool. Thank you very much for listening.